It's November, and with the new month comes new themes and new faces on 3 Themes Live.
We had Amy Chappell from Ameroonie Designs stop by. She taught us how to make an adorable gingerbread man banner and showed off her newest designs.
Then we got a little gingerbread man crazy. We learned to decorate them on our sewing machines, added them to aprons, used them in ornaments, and embellished our clothes with them.
We also introduced the new Stitch Your Story theme for the month, Reflections. Each day we had one of our girlfriends show what they created to help inspire your next walk.
And you can do it! Catch up on all of this and so much more by clicking the links below, or watch us live every Monday through Wednesday at 1 p.m. Mountain and 3 p.m. Eastern on Facebook and YouTube.
Remember, 3 Things Live is where we always have something to make you smile,
Something to learn.
and something to discover.
Let's go!